Happy Monday, everyone. What's happening? Raddad Cooks here with another Meatless Monday. Yes, if you're new around here, every Monday we go farm to table with a meatless recipe that even the carnivores can get into. Today we are whipping up this awesome orzo sauté with some grilled portobello mushrooms. Let's get going. First, we're gonna cook some orzo. Just follow the directions on the package. We wanna have about 2 cups of prepared orzo. We're gonna throw 1 teaspoon of vegetable base into that and stir it up. Then we're gonna head out to the grill, a little olive oil, salt, pepper. Throw those mushrooms on a medium-high grill. We're gonna go with the fins up first. We're gonna go 5 minutes each side. While those are cooking, we're gonna dice up half a red bell pepper, half of a small red onion, and about 1/4 of a red cabbage. Slice that into thin little pieces there, and 2 garlic cloves. After 10 minutes, our mushrooms look like that. We can head in and saute. We got onions, peppers, and garlic in a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. We're gonna add to that a tablespoon of pine nuts. A little salt and pepper to taste. Saute that up. Once our pine nuts get nice and toasted, make sure you don't burn them, but nice and toasted, we're gonna throw in a tablespoon of sun-dried tomatoes and saute for another minute. Then we're gonna add our orzo, saute that in the combine, give it another maybe 2 minutes. You wanna let that orzo kind of crisp up in there, and then we can add the final ingredient, which is our red cabbage. Hit it with 2 ounces of white wine and throw a lid on it. We're gonna let the cabbage steam up for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes is done, grab your favorite bowl, throw in that sauté. Top it off with those spectacular grilled mushroom caps. I gotta say, nothing beats the flavor of a grilled portobello mushroom cap. If you haven't had one, you are missing out. You could literally replace steak with this in a lot of different dishes. Now, this is a vegan meal. If you wanna go just YOLO vegetarian, throw some feta cheese up on there. Thank you very much for swinging through on your busy and hectic Monday. Stop by, hang out with Raddad Cooks, and learn something new that you can bring home and whip up for mommy. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single video here at Raddad Cooks. Everyone else, hit that like button for me. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any ideas or anything you'd like to see me cook in the future. Thank you very much again, and I'll see you next time. Peace!